Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the iPhone 14 series. So let's say if we receive an incoming call right now, to answer the call you can tap on the green button to answer the call, and to end the call you can tap on the red button. To reject an incoming call you can tap on the red button right here, and that will allow you to reject an incoming call when the call is in full screen. Again, you can tap on the green button to accept the call, or you can press on the red button to reject the call. So here, to reject the call you can tap on the decline button, or you can tap on remind me later, so that in an hour later the phone will remind you to call back that person. And that's it. That is how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.